after you're on.
Well, which platform are you on?
I do it with BPI Bank, but you can do it BDO or Paul Financial or even Metro Bank has one.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's free to open account.
So yeah, I mean, I got BPI, I got Metro Bank. So
There. So
yeah.
you just go to the bank and ask, I want to open a stock tradings account.
So is there like a minimum?
I
No.
mean, to start investing
Yeah.
with 5,000 pesos,
Okay.
that's $100.
Yeah,
That's enough.
that's doable. Yeah.
But it's
5,000?
it's free to open.
Yeah, that's doable.
Yeah. Yeah, keep in touch with Kuya here and he can
Yeah.
get you set up on an account. You just want to have an online account that where you have access preferably to the American markets, to these companies.
Well, but you
That's a
mentioned.
different. That's a different story. To buy that's a different kind of. We cannot buy through a normal bank here in the Philippines. We cannot buy American stock.
Yeah, but that's
Okay.
okay because we have locals, so that's
Yeah,
okay.
we have. Yeah, and it works also.
Yeah, yeah. I can allocate all the the rest of the money elsewhere.
Yeah.
Are
And
you familiar with rate? Have you invested in rate? Do you know what they are? I'm sure you are. I guess you know.
what is it called?
Rate. Okay. Real estate investment trust.
Oh, REITs. Yeah, yeah.
REIT. Okay, REIT. Rate is.
REIT.
We have like six of them right now in the Philippines. Are you into that? Have you invested in stocks in that?
Yeah,
Are they part of
Yeah.
your portfolio?
yeah.
There.
Um,
How,
there's
how frequently do they pay in the dividend? The rate, the rate. How
Well,
frequent do they pay you over there?
most REITs and stocks are quarterly, but there are some monthly ones. There's
Okay.
one in the U.S. called Realty Income. I haven't started investing in that yet, but it's on my list. And there's a few others, but they pay monthly dividends, and that's another thing that's
Monthly. I love it.
yeah,
That's it. That's
Yeah, 'cause
beautiful.
then-
Monthly.
it compounds faster if you're being paid monthly because once you're investing in these dividend earning stocks, you automatically can reinvest the dividend into buying more shares.
Yeah.
And that's a way to enhance your dividend earnings over time.
Mm.
And if it's a monthly paying one that you're reinvesting automatically, that basically adds another 1 or 2% to the rate that you're receiving because it's reinvesting every month, not every 3 months, right? So over a long
Faster,
time,
yeah.
it starts to creep up a little higher than if you were receiving it every 3 months. So there's little strategies like that to enhance
Yeah.
the dividend earnings. Yeah.
Here they pay every quarter. The
Yeah.
rate they pay every quarter, and then the big companies pay annually or twice a year, some, but more on annually. That's the normal.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that's a good for me. It's a good recommendation for beginners to go for the REIT because you can see the money coming in fast. So you feel it, So you feel, oh, it works. Oh, it works. Oh, okay, I got free money. Okay, so now I'll invest again.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good to get that reinforcement to see it because if you see it coming in every month and even if it's only a few cents, it's every month and you're like, wow, if I owned 10 times more shares, I can figure out how much that would be and it's motivating to do. So, yeah.
There's a funny bank right now that they have a promo. It's called the C Bank in the Philippines. It's like an app, and it's giving interest daily.
Whoa.
So every day you have a few cents coming in, and then whoa, every day, because they
Wow.
just C Bank, but it's only until the end of the month or something like that. No, it's like a promo. I don't know what their strategy is going to be after, but it's one of these new digital banks that give you high yield interest, like Finbank is giving a 2.6. For example, ING is leaving the Philippines, but it was also giving like a 2.6. I've been with them for a while. So this is a new one, bank, and it gives you every day instead of every month, every day.
Yeah. That's great.
But I didn't go for it because it's like, huh? Because I control all my money to the cent. I have an accounting program and I input everything. It's like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be so much work to every day.
Yeah.
I have to put how many cents, extra cents, 5 cents. I know. Never mind.